Hi guys, Brendan from All Around Oz. As most of you know, we're getting close to hitting the road full time. It's time to start thinking about what I'm going to do for a toolkit for any little mishappenings out on the road. If you're anything like me, you've been collecting mismatched stuff for the last 35 years. Socket sets that have got all the plastic broken out of them, bits missing, bits and pieces of stuff everywhere. Takes up a lot of room, and 9 times out of 10 what you're looking for is not here. So we've had a bit of a change. I'll stick this out of the road and I'll show you what we've done. So I've decided to go with an actual case that's full of tools. That way everything sits in its own spot and you can see if anything's missing. Got this from Toolpro. It's Supercheap auto. Brilliant looking set. So it's a little bit heavier than what we had before, but everything's in its own spot. So at a quick glance, you can tell if you've left anything underneath the bonnet. If something's fallen through and underneath the car while you're out in the middle of nowhere, you can instantly see if anything's missing. This is a great range of tools. Everything's from screwdrivers, deep sockets, impact sockets. It's got impact sockets for your mag wheels. They've even got a little plastic collar so they don't damage your mag wheels while you're changing wheels on your BT50 when you're out on the road. Great set, AF, metric, all screwdriver bits, torque bits, Allen keys, imperial and metric. Little set of spanners. That's probably the only thing that lets this down, is only a small set of spanners, but it's got nearly everything else you need. Great set, and it's Toolpro, so it's got a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. So that's what we've done for a toolkit, and a little bit extras. We'll just probably grab, we'll need a couple of hammers and scrapers and that sort of thing, but not much else after that. Okay, that's what we've done. Thanks for watching. Safe travels.